हाँ जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो हम पहुंच गए जी नेशविल हॉट चिकन। लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज।
Oh yeah.
हाँ जी, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। So after Travi, I went to Flamin Feathers with my brothers. We knew that it was gonna open till 1 a.m. So we went there. The food was really awesome. The prices was okay. We ordered Flaming smash burger, like a classic smash burger, Flaming loaded fries, and Flaming hot chicken sandwich. Uh, that was pretty hot. My mouth got burned. But anyways, the taste was really awesome. We really liked the food. The service was really okay. Uh, the owner was there, so very nice guy. You should all visit Flaming Feathers. On the whole, very great experience. Ambience okay, very nice. Taste very good. Prices still okay. And what else? That's it. You must go there. I think so. They should change the name to Flaming Feathers Nashville Hot Chicken and Smash Burgers to Flaming Feathers Nashville Too Hot Chicken and Smash Burger because it was way too hot. My mouth got burned because it was very hot. So great experience. Must go. Must try. और बाबा जी पगड़ियाँ